In a small village, there was a man named Lucas. Lucas was known by everyone as the guardian of hope. He was not strong or famous, but his kindness made him special. Every morning, Lucas would walk through the village, greeting everyone with a smile. He would visit the sick, talk to the lonely, and help the children with their homework. He always had a kind word or a helpful hand. One day, a girl named Sofia came to Lucas. She was crying. "Lucas, I feel sad," she said. "My parents are sick, and I don't know what to do." Lucas sat down beside her. "I understand, Sofia," he said gently. "But you are not alone. We are all here to help." Sofia looked at Lucas, and for the first time she smiled. "Thank you, Lucas," she said. From that day, Lucas continued to bring hope to the village. He visited people every day, and soon the village became happier. People started helping each other more. They shared food, smiled more, and took care of one another. One evening, an old man came to Lucas and said, "Lucas, how do you always stay so hopeful? You give so much, but you never ask for anything in return." Lucas smiled. "Hope is like a seed. The more you give, the more it grows," he said. "When we help others, we feel hope in our hearts." The old man nodded. "You are the guardian of hope, Lucas," he said. From then on, Lucas continued his work, knowing that every smile, every act of kindness made the world a little brighter. And in the village, hope lived in every heart.